Welcome back to part 2 of our 2-part series of refurbishing this 1977 Sachs Balboa moped. This bike is in excellent shape, but in need of multiple hours of detailing to get it back to showroom condition. I wanted to start with the chrome. Some areas have rust and corrosion, so in order to get that shine back, it would take multiple meticulous hours of detailing to get the results that I wanted. I had to be extremely careful around this gas tank because that striping around the chrome is hand painted, and if not handled accordingly, you'll take that paint right off. This middle chrome was the most satisfying to clean. And finally, all the chrome was clean, which was only step 1 for the chrome. Now for my favorite part of the refurbish, the paint. After cleaning the surface dirt off, I used the same techniques on the small rust spots as I did the chrome. You have to be extremely careful though, because when doing this, you are sanding off the paint. Because of that, I will be adding a heavy layer of wax to this paint to both protect and make that color pop again, which we'll be doing to this entire bike because I really wanted to do this blue justice. And as you can see, this is going to look amazing. Now for step 2 for the chrome, we'll be polishing to again both protect and make that shine come back. So I'm sure you saw our Virginia series where I bought this Sachs, and if you didn't, you can check this video on the top right of your screen. I brought this bike back because it had some nice parts like these wheels. I wanted to swap them out and install them on this blue bike, keeping the original tires though because they weren't in bad shape. But I have to fight to get these wheels off first. With the wheels off, I was good to swap out the tires. However, I did notice a patch repair on one of the tubes, so I replaced that instead of putting it back in the tire. Here's a video on how to replace tires if you need it. This package showing up when it did was so clutch. A company called Super Clean sent me over a restock of their heavy duty degreaser. It's probably one of the best degreasers I use, and it's going to make cleaning these wheels so much easier. The rear wheel bearings sounded terrible, along with physically feeling like something was grinding, which, to no surprise, there was hardly any grease left in there. So I took these balls out and put them on my friend Chad's chin, so I could clean the housing before adding new grease and reinstalling those balls back in, doing the same thing on the other side as well. Now, that rear wheel is spinning smooth and without any resistance. The last parts I needed off of this green bike were the shocks. The one on the blue bikes were peeling. After a quick clean, I was good to install them on our blue bike. Our last repair was this sticky throttle cable, which I also noticed the lack of grease in the housing as well. So after adding the new cable and some grease, all I had to do was reinstall. All I had to do was reinstall this carb and test if we were ready to ride. Now that everything seemed to be all done, it was time to do one last meticulous detail, making sure to get every nook and cranny before taking it out to get some pics. And as you guys can see, this bike came out gorgeous, and I'm actually going to be listing it for sale. So if you're interested, go ahead, comment down below, DM me on Instagram or Facebook if you're interested. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys detailed differently, please feel free to let me know what we do different. Otherwise, guys, ride safe.